What's up guys, welcome to my first video. So as you all know, we had a little accident a couple months ago. It was pretty bad and we got to start rebuilding, and my goal is to get this car into driven. So let's get started. So first up, let me show you guys the car. I did strip it a little bit. The bumper, it is done, dead. The rat support was dead. I changed it. We got the old hood here. Little dings and scratches and stuff, but I went ahead and bought all new parts. So I just took the fender out. And why I did that was, in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting JDM side markers on these fenders. So how I took the fender out, it's actually really easy. There is one bolt here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You got to open the door to get that one. And yeah, that's about it. A couple plastic clips here and there. As you guys can probably already tell, I'm not the greatest at vlogging, but this is my first vlog. So let me show you guys some of the new parts that we got. So over here we got a brand new hood, brand new bumper, brand new fenders. Got some fog light housings, got some fog lights, got a front lip. And today we're gonna work on the new fenders. But first, let's practice on this old one. So the first thing you're gonna need is your lights. I got these off AliExpress for about $20. They're square, so pretty dope. You're gonna need something to cut your fender with. You're gonna need some masking tape. So this template's up online. It's not really to size, so I kind of redrew it to size here. So I'm gonna cut that out. You're gonna need a ruler to measure, Sharpie, any cutting tool basically. Scissors work well, and another thing to measure with should work perfect. Alright guys, so I cut out the template. Basically it goes 15.5 centimeters this way and about 14 centimeters that way. I'm gonna measure it out with masking tape and see what's up next. So basically what you do is go straight up from this curved line right here. You can see it, I'll show you guys in a bit. Go straight up, and then you, from this line right here, from the plastic piece, you go up 15.5 centimeters.
I told her to come closer, she need to make me want it. Think how she ride up on it. Oh, she get wet like the ocean, just like the ocean. She not no Tatiana. Together we be counting commas. On the next flight straight to Bahamas. I'm liking what I see, yeah. I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty ride with me. I make you realize that I'm all you need. Pull up, bring it back, rewind. Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine. Alright,
so 15.5 centimeters is basically this real line right here. And what we're going to do now is draw an X right in the middle of here. That's our X. So now what we're going to do is, I drew a dot right in the middle of this, drew a dot right in the middle of that. I'm going to center it onto that dot. How am I going to do that? Yeah, I just put a hole in this so I can see through it.
I'm liking what I see.
Yeah, right on the black line, just like that.
drama, shorty ride with me.
Make sure it's straight. Now this is basically the hardest part. Like, I don't even know what to do now.
Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. I told her to come closer. She need to make me want it. Think how she ride up on it. Oh, she get wet like the ocean, just like the ocean.
Yeah, I put this on.
Together we be counting.
Right now I have no idea
On
what
the
to do.
next flight straight to Bahamas.
Well, I know what to do, but
yeah, I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty ride with me. I make you realize that I'm all you need. Hold up, bring it back, rewind. Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine.
so now what I'm going to do is line up my template with this bottom tape line and this line right in the middle
I've been up for days, I'm just trying to keep it real raw. Running to the
to make sure it is straight, so when I cut it, I don't end up with a crooked line. So now what I'm going to do is draw on it, like draw around it basically, to get the template on the tape.
Shorty, when I'm with you, got me feeling myself. Your love is like a job, baby, can't you tell? Always be there in case you need some help. You're the only one, I don't need no one else. No, 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 no. I'm liking what I see. Yeah, I like it when she put it down on me.
So this is the practice fender. It doesn't really matter if we mess up, but I want to try my best to not mess up.
Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. I told her to come closer. She need to make me want it.
Alright guys, that looks good to me, so let's start cutting. Alright, so basically what I did is tape up here, tape down here. I'll link the template in the description below. And I put my template on here, and I just traced around it. Now I'm gonna start and cut it.
Bring it back, rewind. Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Tell me how you feel, shawty, tell me how you feel. I've been up for days, I'm just trying to keep it real raw. Running to the bank, really trying to get a meal. Smoking pressure to the face when they ask me how I feel. I'm just trying to chase that check. When I'm with you, I don't really want no static. Baby girl, you the one, so you be a bad chick. I might pull it with a gang and we let them have it. I ain't playing with these lanes, I'm a damn savage. On the road to the fame, I ain't really capping. I don't really want no one else. Shorty, when I'm with you, got me feeling myself. Your love is like a job, baby, can't you tell? Always be there in case you need some help. You're the only one, I don't need no one else. No, 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 no. I'm liking what I see. Yeah, I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty ride with me. I make you realize.
Alright, so it's cut, and now we are just gonna sand around it, make it smooth. So we do anything else. I'ma make her mine.
Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine.
Alright guys, so the hole is made. I cut it out and I had to modify it a little bit. but check this. Oof, perfect. I messed up a little bit here. But that's about it, and this is only our test piece, so it doesn't even really matter. Alright guys, so I finally finished both of them. Here's how they look. I gotta do some paint touch-ups, but it looks pretty decent. Let me show you. I gotta do a bit of a touch-up here on this one. And then this one. I gotta do about the same amount of touch-up on that one.
You're someone that I don't like. You're not my type, but damn boy, you be trying. You got that weird type of vibe. Keep making assumptions.
And that is it for this video. I cannot wait until these go on the car and the car is done. I will keep you guys updated, keep posting more videos. Our next video is going to be a headlight build, so I'm super excited for that, something super unique. Actually, let me give you guys a peek. So over here we got our 2.5-inch projector, and it is etched. I'm super excited to put these on, and it's gonna be dope. Can't wait to do it, and I'll see you guys next video.